Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram can't send messages for 3 days. To know how to fix Instagram can't send messages for 3 days, you should just go to settings here as you see and you will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here like this, and when you will see this list you will go down to Instagram like this, and then here as you see in this page you will go to force stop and you will click here. When you click force stop you will go to storage, and after that in this page you will go to clear cache, and when you will find you will click here clear cache, you will go to clear data, and after that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.